What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a walkthrough of how I made my lawnmower shelf. All of the dimensions will be in the description below. So first I'm going to go ahead and cut out the pieces of wood that we'll need, and I'm starting with the 4 vertical legs that we're going to use. Guys, we actually we made 2 of the little truss things, if you will. I didn't film it because it's dark out. These are 5 feet tall. There's 4 of them, and then you go up 18 inches, measure that, and you can see I made marks for where the 18-inch goes. Above the 18-inch, you'll put the wood on the side so that I can fit 24, so that you get the full space. Instead of doing it like this, you get 2 inches off. The difference between these two right here don't have to be perfect because you're laying a mower across it. Alright guys, take a look at this. So this is after I made the two little trusses here, I guess you can call them. I put a mower under there for reference, and you can see it's gonna be, these are 14 inches apart about. Try not to move around too much because these are just, they're just balancing for 14-inch things to keep these together and secure. Off camera, I put the 3rd one in, which is pretty nice and sturdy. It was a little bit farther apart than what I cut it to be, so I had to push these together a little bit. It's not bad. So we have 1 more to go on this side. I'm doing this 20 inches up. See, I made 20 inches mark, and then I went above the 20 inches so that we have more room. And let's see, we're gonna do another one below here for stability, which I have cut out, I believe. Alright guys, have both of the things up. These 2, I think these are 14 inches apart, and we're just gonna drill these right here, I guess. Hey, what's up guys? It's the next day. This thing is, I don't think I'm gonna put any supports on the top. It's pretty secure as it is, but this will fit 3 mowers, or hopefully. Well, wish me luck. I'll put you guys on the stand. Oh, look at this.
It's not gonna work.
Hey, you shut up. Oh my god. It works. This will save us so much space. If you guys want to do this, just follow the steps I did before. My terrible steps, but you'll be able to get this thing done too. Look at this. Wow. But I used exterior wood screws, 10 by 3 inches. 3 inches did fine because when you applied 2 of these together, it's 4 inches. So it goes in pretty deep.